This video shows you how to install the booklet finisher to the printer. When installing or removing screws, use a flat head screwdriver. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box, and then remove the packing material. Remove the boxes. Unpack the booklet finisher. This finisher requires 4 people to lift. Continue removing the packing material. The sheet is located differently from what is shown in this video. You can find the sheet behind the finisher door. Unpack bin 2. Unpack the staple cartridge, bin 1, and the hole punch box. Unpack the paper transport. Insert the hole punch box. And then insert the staple cartridge. Insert bin 1. Install bin 2. Connect the finisher cable to bin 2. Open the finisher door, and then remove the screw. Attach the brackets at the bottom of the finisher. From the printer, remove the paper bale. Remove the standard bin. Open the front door, and then remove the standard bin side cover. Attach the installation bracket for the finisher. Insert the paper transport. Secure the paper transport to the printer. Close the front door. Remove the network ports cover. Secure the paper transport cable to the printer. Insert the network ports cover. Attach the finisher to the printer. Open the finisher door, and then secure the finisher to the printer. If necessary, turn the leveling screws clockwise to make sure that all sides of the finisher have the same height as the printer. Remove the connector cover at the rear of the finisher. Attach the paper transport cable to the finisher. Attach one end of the finisher cable to the back of the finisher. Insert the connector cover. At the rear of the printer, remove the lower rear connector cover, and then insert the other end of the finisher cable. Insert the lower rear connector cover. Remove the covers. Connect the finisher power cord to the printer port. Attach the bracket to secure the power cord. Insert the cover. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.